Hi students, let us see here a program to know the different data types how we can use in the Python. Okay, so here I'm assigning the value something string name equal to Ravinder. Which type of the data it is? It is a string type. This string information you can write within the double quotes or within the single quotes or within the three quotes. Okay, and integer data type. So here this 30 is the value of integer value called integer type, age without any decimal values, and the float data type. So after the 90 I have this in the 0.78. This is the float data type. And in the boolean, so student has phone number equal to something I have written here false. This boolean may be false or it may be true. Okay, here F must be capital letter, T also must be in capital letter, and these two are keywords in Python. So like that, I can assign the different type of values of the data here. Like if I take employee name, this is a of type string. Something employee ID, it is generally integer form. Like employee salary, it is generally float. Okay. So like that employee has phone number equal to false, then it is a boolean. So like this, I can assign the various type of the data types here. And along with this, I have a complex data type also. So how do you assign the complex data type values here? Something x equal to 3 plus print x. So it is giving 3 plus 4j. Like when I have the values like here, x equal to 3 plus ij, y equal to something 2 plus 6j. I write print x plus y. Now you can see the addition of the two complex numbers 5 plus nj. So here I use j to indicate the imaginary part here. Like this, I can assign the different data types in Python.